People that say, prophet, prophet, okay, the question is, why do they lie to me? If you know that I'm a prophet, why do you lie to me? Lying to a prophet and you're calling him a prophet, it means you don't know. You don't know him. That's verse 1. You are serving the Lord. Verse 7, you don't know him. This world is a reality where you interact with God. He talks to you about anything that you desire, anything. At least I'm better, I'm a prophet. If my wife is talking and I don't hear what she is saying, it's better nditori nani ndakatombo kafirwa nokunzi muprofita anongoti wamene zvaarunzwa kuna Mwari. But iwewe now, the problem is hauna zvimwe. Antombotiwa pamwe pandakataura musi weMwari abanengiro dzavaiona pamwe amene zvanga vachitaura ndosaka musina kunyasondinzwa. Iwewe hauna chimwe chokunzwa kunze kwomudzimai wako nevana vako ende hauvanzwi. Sharpen your ears. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I was prophesying to people during the life having, and I'm moving around, and the voice of God was so continuous. I was hearing God and it was seamless, non-stop. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I never stopped. And it was continuous just like that. And I kept on moving, giving prophecies to individuals privately. Maybe sometimes I would announce to the people, but I continue prophesying. And then when I came to this gentleman, I just looked at him. And when I looked at him, he looked at me, and all of a sudden the voice stopped. And then I skipped him. From the next person, I started to see, hear. And I said, let me go back again to that gentleman. When I looked at him again, and the voice stopped. And I didn't know what to say or how to prophesy to him. But he helped me to understand what I was hearing. Because I then went to him and I said, you need to pray because the voice of God has stopped. And he said to me, I was a prophet. And I had a ministry. Listen to this. And I had a ministry. I did everything. And all of a sudden I fell into sin. And the voice of God that I used to hear ceased. And people in my church realized that I can't hear anymore. Now the church is gone. And my wife is gone. I said, what? He said, I can't hear God anymore. So what you said is very true. The voice of God has stopped. So sit down. I want to show you something here. So imagine God did not say anything to me. And yet by not saying anything, he said something. Okay. I don't know how to explain this. When God chooses to keep quiet. Interpret his silence in your marriage, in your business. When God is quiet, what is he saying by not saying anything? What is he saying? So it was me who thought God had kept quiet, and yet that's when he was giving me this guy's prophecy. The reason why we pray to God is because we know that he hears us. So we know that he's a hearing God. The reason why we sing songs is because we are very much aware that he hears us. We are confident, but is he also confident that you hear him? Does God have the same confidence that if he talks, you can also hear him? Hey. There are times I come here and I know myself. I've been with myself for a long time now. And I know how things happen in me. So I'm coming to greet you. I say, hi, can I talk to you? Sometimes when I hold your hand, I run through your system just like that. It's just like lightning. And I'm out. And somebody said to me when I think we had a meeting, I think with the pastors at home, they just came, we were sitting there, and I began to explain their problems, diseases, one after the other. And I said, these are minor, not serious, big diseases. No. Something that they were feeling at that particular time. And one asked me a question, he said, but Baba, we are not in a church service here, we're just sitting. And you didn't start it, we are asking. And you can describe every one of us. How is that possible? Are you hearing from God? Is God talking to you about us? I said, it depends. There are times when God talks to me about you. But you know the easiest way to know you? You want to know? Yes. Easiest way, if I really want to know you in an easier way, I become you. You are wed bankrupt.